Hey pals, John here with the Lens Power, and today we're going to take a look at this, the Nikon NIKKOR Z 14-24mm f2.8s. This came out a little while ago and we're adding it to our shelves now. This is Nikon's wide zoom, part of their holy trinity, their range of 2.8 zoom lenses that pretty much cover every focal length you're going to need. So we've got 14-24, 24-70, 70-200. This is the wide end of the trinity. So this is going to be great for all of you real estate photographers and videographers. If you do landscapes, if you do astrophotography, this is going to have you covered with beautiful, smooth rings, whether it's the zoom ring, the focus ring, or even the little control ring that they have around here. One thing I really appreciate about these NIKKOR S line lenses is just how well built, how good they feel in the hand. There's something special about Nikon's robust construction method that just puts them just a little bit ahead in that metric compared to the other big names. But yeah, this is a beautiful zoom lens, and what is something unique about this compared to the F-mount version is that the hood actually has filter threading on it. So if you happen to have 128mm or 112mm threaded filters, then yeah, you can actually use them with these. If you guys want us to carry those large filters, let us know. If enough of you say, yes please, then yeah, we'll add them to our stock, probably. You know, I'd have to check with Liz first, but yeah, probably, if enough of you ask. But there you go, you'd be able to use a nice front filter, whether it's a circular polarizer or variable ND, on the front of the lens with just, you know, the addition of a rather large lens hood. And of course, like all S-line lenses, we also have the little display on here that can tell you a bunch of different things. I particularly like when you are focusing, it'll actually act like an old school focal guide where it'll tell you, hey, this much in front and back of your focus is going to be in focus. There you go. The Nikon NIKKOR 14-24mm f2.8 S line is available on our website right now, where we do rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you have found this video helpful or informative, or if you just like to see me play with zoom rings, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Nikon's social media team is saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.